Hey guys, Jonathan from RSR here. Today we're in our beautiful car park and right next to me is a Golf R Mark 7 facelift. Now we were talking to our local VW dealer about the Mark 8 versions, and while on paper our Golf R may not be quite as sporty and as evolving as say our Megane or our Civic Type R, but we think we could do a little bit better with it. Following the success of our Golf GTI RSR Edition build, we thought we would give this car the treatment as well. So I reached out to Revo. They are market leaders in Volkswagen tuning and performance, to see how they could help us out with our little predicament here. Paul said to me, Jonathan, I know exactly what we're going to do. All you need to do is keep an eye on your mailbox, and there's some very special packages coming your way. Hey guys, welcome back to the RSR Nürburg workshop, and without a doubt one of the most fun parts of any car build is jumping in and seeing all the shiny new parts. Our friends at Revo have really got a treat in store for us today with the amount of packages we have here. I'm really curious to see what's inside. How about we jump in and have a look? The next step is that we get our mechanics to install all of these beautiful parts into the car. Should be very easy with the quality that we've got on offer here. The final cherry on top, of course, is that Revo themselves will be flying in to help us finalize the software tuning, get it ready, and then we can get it out on the track. So guys, this is shaping up to be one of our most exciting builds ever. What you need to do is really stay tuned.